Oh yeah, today we're here to learn this awesome thumb roll combo. For them top tips, listen up. Oh yeah, let's talk the do's and the don'ts of this combo. To do this awesome anti-gravity thumb roll, it's important not to have your finger straight and to have it completely bent up. This will boost your success rate and stop frustration. Now let's take a look at the straight thumb and how it hinders you. In this slow-mo clip you'll see it's impossible to grab the nunchuck. With the bent up thumb, as you can see, my success rate has increased. To start this, I'm going to demonstrate I'm drawing a straight line. As you can see, it's drawing a straight line from one side to the other, whilst at the same time adding the anti-gravity thumb roll concept. So let's talk about the direction change, which we're going to add a stall. So this is the arm move. We're going to move it over to one side and then we're going to add like a stall motion from one hip to the other. Okay, so that is going to look like this. This will all become pretty clear because we're going to change that up stall into a rising thumb roll. Now watch how I shift my body position. We're going to be adding this to the move now. So first we're going to start off by popping an anti-gravity thumb roll. We're going to change our direction. Then we're going to add that thumb roll afterwards. But there are some techniques which you could use right in that position there by just adding a few rotations and then popping off that thumb roll, adding your figure eight and clutch. You see, after drilling all parts of that, your move should look like this, pretty much clean.